nam nie ice.
Guys, ako lang ba yung paulit-ulit binabasa yung conversation namin ng crush ko, tapos paulit-ulit din akong kinikilig. Wala na, malandi ako eh.
Taking a chance cause I like you a lot, so I'll give it a shot, give it all that I got. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-di. Suddenly you call my name and I lose my brain and I float up to the moon. La-di-da-di-di, la-di-da-di-da.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want her to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.
Nakakasawa na sa feed ko si Mika sa lamang kang cringy. Ayoko na siya makita. Eh, bakit hindi mo ako ni-hide? Bakit hindi mo i-scroll up agad? Bakit hindi mo swipe agad? Bakit hindi mo ako i-hide? Bakit hindi mo ako i-block?
I'm tryna crit neck on her big neck. Mine is selling crit neck for the stick neck. And I got a big neck for the chit chat. Get the drop out. Drop it on my car.
Recline, so I had to let back the seat. Pull out and she suck it, I nut all over her meat.
Be quiet, nigga. Hold on.
Cause that bitch go and I shit, it's on mute.
Hindi, ayoko na talaga. Last na to, hindi ko na siya babalikan. Eh, bakit nung kinamusta ka, di ka na nag-reply? Eh, bakit nakita ko sa story mo, magkasama na naman kayo, naka-akbay? Ha? Ano? Ano na? Tapos naghingi ka pa ng advice? Ayaw yung mga laway ko sa inyo!
Ang puso ko sa'yo lang talaga, kaya umawa. Sa aking kamay, hanggang ibigay lahat ng naisip mo para sa
Bang like this, 모두 다 같이. 저 맞은 것처럼. Bang, bang, bang.